Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can duplicate apps over on your iPhone home screen. As you guys can see right now, we have 5 Instagram apps over on my home screen, and these are not even shortcuts. These are the actual app, and it will immediately just open the app, as you guys can see, with all of these apps, and these are no shortcuts. And here's how you can literally just duplicate apps over on your iPhone home screen. So it's actually really easy. So first you need to of course find an app you actually want to duplicate. So let's say we are going to duplicate the TikTok app. Then literally all you need to do is go and, like I just did, you're gonna scroll down just like this over your home screen, and you will get to the search page, of course, where you then just type in any app. And when you then hold down the app, just like this, you can actually swipe it over to your home screen right here. And you can literally just continue doing this process, as you guys can see, by just swiping it over, and it will literally just duplicate apps over on your iPhone home screen, which is really cool. And yeah, you can just that's basically just all you need to do, and then you can just continue doing that to as many times as you want. That's literally how you can duplicate apps on your iPhone home screen. So if you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.